Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to separate audio tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. Let's get right into it. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, step 1 is to locate the video or the audio piece that you would like to export in Adobe Premiere Pro. In this case, I have a video with audio and then a video with second audio. I'm going to drag this to the right, and then the next step is to create an in point and an out point of the audio that you would like to export. By clicking I or Control I, I'm going to go to the out points and click O or Control O for an out point. And then on your keyboard, click Control plus M, and this will bring up the export menu or the settings in Adobe Premiere Pro. And then under export settings, under format, click the drop down arrow and locate where it says MP3. And then under preset, you can change this from low to higher or even higher quality. Either one works. You have 3 options. I prefer the third one. And you have the other options if you scroll down under the second tab where it says audio. You can change this to mono, to stereo, or from codec, from fast to high. And you can even change the bitrate further if you would like. You can change or save that under the output name right here to your desktop or PC, and then you can choose to queue or export and then click export. And then if you want to export 2 audio tracks at once, and in this case I'd like to export the video with the audio and then the other audio track, you can do this by unlinking the video or by right click the video and click unlink so that the video is now unlinked from the audio. And then we have 2 audio pieces, as you can see. Choose or locate which one you would like to export. And in this case I already have the in point and the out point right here, and I'm going to click Control plus M on my keyboard and then follow the same steps as last time, and then you can click Queue or Export. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.